Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. The vehicle itself is finished in the individual BMW Tanzanite blue metallic exterior paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic. We've got the black kidney grills here at the front, as well as a full M Performance styling kit, which includes the front splitter, side skirts, and a few more bits at the rear. We've then got our second 19-inch alloy wheel. You'll notice we've got a charging port underneath there, as this is a hybrid vehicle, so you will get ultra low running costs when driving this about. We've got our side skirts at the bottom just there, black wing mirror, colour coded door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. We've got the eDrive badging just there as well, and there's a closer look at that third alloy wheel. Now we do have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. We've got the dual exit exhaust on the bottom left, the spoiler as well. I'll get a closer look of that for you. There you are, looks fantastic. Now I'll open up the boot so you can have a see at the size you've got in here. We've got our charging cables on the left there, storage net on the right, great amount of space in here for whatever you may need. You'll also notice that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go on to the interior next, we'll start at the rear. We've got a full black Dakota leather interior. How great do these seats look? ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got a fold down armrest in the middle, 12 volt connectivity and storage nets just there. On the doors we've got our integrated speakers, brushed metal handle and electric window controls. In the front here we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior. Again, how great do these seats look? On the doors we've got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system. We've got our electric window controls and electric wing mirrors just there as well. Now stepping in, we've got our auto lights on the right. We'll start the car up, foot on the brake, start button. We do have keyless start, and there we are. It's very quiet. With it being a hybrid, we are in just electric power at the moment. Now you'll notice that the vehicle has covered just over 34,600 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Taking a step back, we've got our multifunctional steering wheel with speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. In the middle we've got our infotainment screen, so on here you'll find things like navigation. We've also got different forms of media connectivity, DAB, FM, AM radio, CD, Bluetooth audio and USB. Phone connectivity as well for making calls and listening to music. We've also got different driving modes, so we've got Sports Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Each of these having its own individual driving characteristics. Put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got a front and rear visual display of our sensors just there. Now coming down, we've got our stereo controls, traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls as well just below with ice cold air conditioning. Below there we've got some additional storage, 2 good sized cup holders with 12 volt connectivity, traction control, we've got our mode select just there, button for our parking sensors, we've got our eDrive button just there as well, so you can change the mode. You can see there we're in auto eDrive, max eDrive or save battery. So you can flick between those to suit your style. Now we've then got our shortcuts as well as our control wheel, again for the infotainment screen, so these are what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration. We've got our handbrake, soft touch leather armrest as well, which does also double up as storage. We've also got this lovely trim that surrounds the vehicle, which looks fantastic. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. One last thing before we do go is we do also have the heads up display just there. I hope you can see that on camera, so your eyes don't need to leave the road whilst you're driving to know your speed. Now that is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. As a viewer, I would suggest that you listen out for any knocks, any bangs, and really treat this as if you were here with me in the car today. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger just there, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5, and then to deactivate this I can either press the cruise control button again or apply pressure to the brakes. Now we've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and back into 6th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there's plenty of great features in this vehicle. For starters, we've got the full black Dakota leather seats, which are incredibly comfortable. We've got our premium Harman Kardon sound system, and of course the infotainment screen with plenty of great features, plenty of ways to connect our devices. We've got our satellite navigation as well, and like I mentioned before, you can connect your phone very easily to make calls or listen to music, and of course we do have both front and rear parking sensors. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and it still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have started doing contactless deliveries. So by this, what we mean is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll also do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. Now we are a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. Really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake. So braking in 3, 2, 1. There we go, straight into reverse. No problems at all. We've got a visual display of our front and rear sensors just there. And then one last test for the cars. We are about to go for a speed bump, so listen out for any knocks or any bangs. There we go, no problems at all. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed on either the online photos, the video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on today's video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.